Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Today there is happy mail from Jackeline. Love me some happy mail and love me some Jackeline. Jackeline is one of my dear friends, one of my Silk members from New York City. So, that was from a commercial, by the way. I forget the one. Do you know that one? New York City. I don't know. It was a long time ago. If anybody knows what commercial that was from. Probably only me and Claire. Claire, what commercial was that from? I totally forget. So I'm just going to be opening it up off camera so you don't see her address. I'm trying to learn from my previous failure. Okay. Ooh, well that's a start. I like how you think, Jackeline. Get organized. Well, I'd like to. Okay, hold on. Paper down. Look at that. Oh, that's my girl. Look, extra paper towels. I have a stack. Oh, do you want to see my stack? Do you want to see my stack of hoarded paper towels? Oh, no, you didn't. I have to show you later. I'm busy now. Oh my gosh. Okay, some of them are not folded proper. I got to fold them proper. I think they were accosted at customs. Like, is that paper towels? Yes, it's paper towels. Look at those. They're so squishy. Okay. Boom. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups in white chocolate. Never heard of it in my life. 5 snack size ones. Oh my. There's more. There's 2 layers. Look how many there is. Oh my gosh. I hoarded a Reese's piece in my fridge, like one of them wrapped, like a Halloween-y one, probably for like 4 years. It sat in my egg compartment or my butter compartment. You know those ones at the top, the little flip-downy lid things? I had a Reese's piece in there for like 3-4 years. I'm not even joking. My kids have never had these. Look how many. That's 20. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, my kids are going to be super happy about that. Thanks, Jackeline, you rock star. Oh, chewy fruities. Fruit-flavored chewy candies. Let me see how chewy. I think you got to chew them to get them chewy. Oh, those are good. There's so much in here. Okay, you have to look down again. There's so much in here. Look. That is like a world. There's a whole grocery store in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so chewy fruities, love it. Caramel creams. Oh, these are squishy, filled with cream. My boy loves these. My young one, he loves caramels a lot, thanks to my lovely subscribers. He's like, "Can I have a grandma?" I'm like, "What are you talking about, grandma? Like you have lots of grandmas. What's your like hush." So he spelled it on a piece of paper. He's like, grandma. I'm like, grandma? Oh, he wants one of those caramels that Lynn sent. It was hilarious. So that was the treat if they found the Christmas pickle. They got one of those caramels. 2 packs I can share. Thank you. Ooh. Jackeline knows I may or may not have hoarding issues. Oh, 2 of these too. Fruity Chews. Love Fruity Chews. The power is out today, so that's why I can't well, maybe the light looks great. The yarn looks good. Okay, that's what matters. Now, what action is this? Chocolate flavored banana pop kit. Chiquita. Oh, I haven't seen Chiquita in so long. It's ridiculous. Oh, what you're supposed to do, it has directions on the back. Look at that. I'm into that. That's so fun. Contains real chocolate. Makes 8 pops. Never had a banana pop. Well, my kids haven't. I probably did. My kids have never. I'm salivating. I've never seen. Add fresh bananas. I'm right into that. Oh my gosh. Lint, 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 lint. I feel like I'm one of those birds. You know those ones that are like, you know, they're picking up worms. They're like, worm, 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 worm. I'm like, lint, 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 lint. I love it. Okay, no, these are Lindor. My mistake. Oh, by Lind. Okay, good. Lindor caramel milk chocolate. These made it pretty good, Jacqueline. They're not too squished. Look, they even have shape. I'm going to put them in the fridge right away. And I think one just got squished. It got physically squished. The rest are all perfect. So it must, like, that's just lucky. That's great. What's this one? What on earth? What is this sorcery? Snickers peanut brownie. I'm right into that. That looks like breakfast. That's packaged to make you feel good about eating with coffee. I swear. Oh, another lint. Another lint. Now I'm digging. Okay, I can't dig. Okay, now M&Ms. Oh, my kids love M&Ms too much. And peanut M&Ms. They wanted them in there. I'm like, put them down. You may not. Now I can't say no. Jacqueline, you're too kind. Handfuls, bucket of peanut M&Ms. I'm too spoiled right now. And buckets of real M&Ms. I'm digging. I have to stop digging. Okay, M&Ms. Snickers. Y'all have the best kind. Love a good Snickers. So does all of my family. And Three Musketeers. Now this, I think I've had. I can't remember. I think they're nougaty. Are they nougaty? Whoop. Okay, that didn't work out. Hold on. This is a treasure trove. Okay, hold on. I'll hold it with a little more finesse. Three Musketeers. So I think these are chocolate on the outside and like a malt. Well, it's going to tell me what's in the middle, right? I don't know what it says. Spread positivity. Well, I like that. Anyway, I think I've had one a million years ago, and my kids have never even seen them in their lives. So that is a hardcore win right there, and there's enough to share. I'm still hoarding my paydays from Kim. I ate one, and the rest are sitting actually at my computer in one of my files, so I can keep an eye on them. They're visually there. It makes me feel better. So delicious. I don't know what these are. What? You can buy these? Amazing. We used to have to make these ourselves last time I was in the modern world. Look at those. Rice Krispie treats. Oh, that I don't have to make or cheap out on the marshmallows. You know, you're like, just put in a little more Rice Krispies. You know what I mean? Get it to go a little farther. I do that. But although we can't get white marshmallows here. If you get white marshmallows here, it's like a rarity. If you don't know, I'm Canadian, born in Saskatchewan, grew up West Coast, but I moved to Nairobi, Kenya like 20 years ago, 21 years ago. So I don't have all this goodness over here. So delicious. Anyway, white marshmallows we don't really get too often. What were they, Jet Puffs? Are those marshmallows? Yeah. Haven't seen them forever, but now I don't have to see them because I have the Rice Krispie treats. My kids are gonna love these. They're gonna start looking for marshmallows all the time. Real Reese's peanut butter cups. This is the kind, I had half of one of these. I had one, like little Halloween size. That's what I had in my egg carton or my milk cupboardy thing in the fridge. Yeah. I had to actually throw it out because I hoarded it so long. So I have to not hoard. I gotta get over my hoarding. Oh, 2 more Snickers. Snickers satisfies. Oh look, see that is good marketing. I just thought they all said Snickers. That's cool. That's cool and that's good. What on earth? What's the sorcery? Dark chocolate raspberry cream filled. Oh, Meird probably loved that. He loves dark chocolate and he loves raspberries. It's like the only sweet thing he likes is dark chocolate and the only fruit he likes is really raspberries. Oh, I'll share. Okay, that looks really good. Oh my gosh, Jacqueline, you are just too kind. Oh, I love it. You're the best. You're the best. So she put in a bag. We can't get these. Like, we did have them. I can't say we can't get them. I haven't seen them forever, and the ones we have are paper with a little plasticky liner inside that's puffy, but not like this modern envelope-y thing. This, that was me, sorry. This will be so handy to send something to Jackeline in. I love that. And I think there's even more paper towels. I love it. Jackeline, you're the sweetest, and you know I love you. Jackeline's great. Jackeline has kids. She works, she's busy, she takes care of her parents. She's a busy, busy girl. I might have enough to start using them. I might feel confident. If I had a spill, I would be like, hold on, I can use a Jackeline paper towel. They're so great. Are these perforated like every half sheet? They are. That is so modern. Okay, you can't see, but they're perforated every half sheet. Oh my gosh. Makes me want to hop in a plane and go shopping in New York. Just saying. Just suggesting it. Anyway, thank you so much, Jackeline. You are literally my heart. How do you do that? Am I doing it totally wrong? My kids are like, oh, Mom, you can't do that. Anyway, thanks so much, Jackeline. You are fabulous. I love it. I don't even know what to eat first. I don't even know what. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed with choice. Okay, what are you gonna bet? Okay, I'm gonna do a Reese's Piece in the white. I couldn't even pick. Oh my gosh. Smells so good. Smells like Reese's Pieces. I know you wouldn't think that. Totally does. Oh. Nom, nom, nom. Hold on. I feel like I should put one in my fridge just for old time's sake. Just to be like, it's okay. Maybe with like an alarm bell on it, like you have to have it with breakfast. Oh my goodness. They're so perfect. They're not even crushed or anything. Okay, here we go. My first one. It is so good. And so peanut buttery. It tastes like peanut butter. Almost to the point of like, it's healthy. You're like, it's all right, I've had dinner. It's so rich and delicious. It is so much creamier than I remember. It's like literally just like delicious goodness in your mouth. It's so good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to share those with the kids. Let me get the kids. Power's out anyway, they can't do much. So the gist of it is, if my kids aren't 13, they're not on the camera. How old are you?
13.
Woo! Mia! For Pete's sake. Ollie here, open. Tania here, open. You want these then, Anton?
Where's it from?
Which one do you want? From Jackeline.
Is that what you sent us last time?
You grab. Which one did you want?
Huh?
You can take one. What do you want?
Okay, I take two.
No, you cannot take two. Which one do you want?
Have that.
Well, what's that? The banana pop kit?
The Rice Krispie treats?
You can't, that's a whole thing. You can't have a whole Rice Krispie. That's a family pack.
Not.
Okay, so what do you want? Oh, there's these. Wait.
What are those?
Caramels.
I don't have those.
Okay. My grandma boy.
Ooh. You got coffee.
Take the paper off. That's a paper.
No.
How's yours, Tania? You're supposed to like put most of it in your mouth. Here, try a caramel. Go like this. You're gonna love it. You think?
I like a cat more.
Hilarious. Open. Try it. Tell me if you like it.
Good.
Well, chew it. You can't like that. You gotta bite it a bit and stay back here because of the camera.
This is the lady who sent us something.
No, this is my other friend. Her name's Jackeline. She lives in New York. What do you think, Ollie? Are they good?
Yeah.
How good? Like really good?
They are better than M&M's here.
I know, right? They're fresh.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to say. Well, that's good. I can give you more
I
later.
like M&M's. I'm accepting extra.
Oh, you are? Okay, thanks, kids. Say thanks to Jackeline.
Thanks, Jacqueline.
Okay, Scoot.
Okay.
You're not getting more yet. You have more later. Love you, bye.
Not yet, Ollie.
Love you, bye.
Bye.
Anyway, thanks so much, Jackeline. You are fabulous, and I hope everyone else is having a great day too. So see you in the next video, and I hope the power comes back, and stay hooked.